guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica J and I do home decor videos, a little bit of lifestyle, DIYs, and shop with me. So if that interests you in any way, I would love it if you subscribed and join my YouTube family. So I don't know about you guys, but if I don't go to HomeGoods or see anyone posting about HomeGoods, I kind of feel like something's not quite right. So I had to make my weekly rounds of going to HomeGoods to see what kind of goodies they have. I know you guys really love HomeGoods as well if you're watching my channel. So I'm taking you guys with me to go shopping. So give the video a thumbs up. It helps my channel out so much. Follow me on Instagram. My name on there is MyJessicaJ. I show you guys behind the scenes footage, things that you guys need to see right away when it comes to home decor. And let's get started.
So I'm currently on the hunt for a rug, and also I'm still kind of keeping my eye open for lamps to see if I see anything that's just going to take over my love for the ones that I have right now. I didn't see really anything, you guys, which is really surprising. I'm sure that there's some items that maybe caught your eye, so be on the lookout for those items. But I just didn't see anything that I could bring home. It's kind of like disappointed for me. I am also looking for a catch-all box. I almost found one, but I thought, not really feeling the gold around the trim. I believe I did show you guys that one in the video as well. So I apologize, I don't have a haul to show you guys, but hopefully you still enjoyed the video. If you saw items that you liked, please leave a comment down below which items those were. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe on your way out if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.